would you choose? Money, happiness, or eternal life? Is there any particular country you would love your future husband to be from? Would you ever date a foreigner? Hi! Welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel. And again, this is Lorie. In today's video, we're going to have a little fun and ask Filipinas from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines, what would they choose? Money, happiness, or eternal life? Let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. What is your name?
Rea Castor,
Age?
22,
22. So you're still studying. What is your course?
BSES.
Yes. What would you choose? Money, happiness, or eternal life?
Happiness.
Why happiness?
Because, siguro ang happiness kasi, pwede na din dyan makukuha ang money, internalize, ganun.
No, it's just one. You're gonna live a normal life and then you'll be happy. So happiness, right?
Yes.
Okay. Would you ever date a foreigner?
Maybe.
Maybe. So that's a yes. Okay. Would you move abroad or would you like to stay here in the Philippines in the future?
Stay here.
So you love Philippines?
Yes.
Okay. For the last question, is there any particular country you would love your future husband to be from?
Depende. Depende siguro.
It depends to what?
Depende pag nagkagusto.
Oh, depends to the person that you like. Okay. What is your name?
Camila po.
Your age?
22.
Your course?
AB English.
Maybe English. What would you choose? Money, happiness, or eternal life?
I would rather choose the happiness lang po kasi since if mabubuhay ka naman ng, if you would rather to live na hindi naman happy lifetime not you are not happy what
It's not worth it?
yeah, it's not worth it.
Okay. So you choose happiness?
Yes, I would rather choose
Okay.
to be happy.
Ate, what is your name po?
Gel.
Jel? Your age?
27.
27. Here's a question. What would you choose? Money, happiness, or eternal life?
I think it's eternal life.
Why?
Siguro siguro mas gugustuhin ko na lang yung mas pamahabang buhay na lang. Kasi I choose, parang ando na rin kasi siya. Sa eternal life na yung love and money. Kung mahaba kang mabubuhay, so siguro makukuha mo yun dun sa eternal life.
No, because when you say eternal life, that's it. Eternal life.
Yeah.
You're not gonna be happy. You're not gonna be rich. Just eternal life.
Also, I choose love.
So also happiness.
Yes, happiness.
Happiness. Okay, that's a good answer. Okay. In the future, would you ever date a foreigner?
Sure, yeah. Yes.
Would you move abroad or would you like to stay here in the Philippines?
I try my best to move when abroad.
Move abroad.
Yes.
Is there any particular country you would love your future husband to be from?
I think it's from Canada.
What's your name?
Lorie po.
Lacarni?
Lorie.
Your Laarni. Your age?
21.
21. You're still studying, right?
Yes.
Okay. What would you choose? Money, happiness, or eternal life?
Happiness.
Happiness. Your name?
Kirby po,
Age?
22.
22. What would you choose? Money, happiness, or eternal life?
Happiness.
They're both in love, that's why. Anyway, thank you. What is your name?
Precious Angela,
Precious. Your age?
19.
19. So you're still studying, right?
Yes.
What course?
I'm currently taking second year AB Political Science.
Okay. Here's the question. What would you choose? Money, happiness, or eternal life?
For me, in my own preference, I would actually choose happiness over the two.
Oh, happiness. Would you ever date a foreigner?
Um, if I will be given a chance, sure.
Okay. Would you move abroad or would you like to stay here in the Philippines?
I think it will depend on what we've talked about, since I'm not the only one who's in the relationship.
But you're open, like for example, moving abroad.
Sure, as long as it have snow.
Well, snow. Me too. I love
Yeah.
snow. I would love to. Is there any particular country you would love your future husband to be from?
I'm actually thinking about Spain since there's a lot of similarities when it comes to language and also foods.
Foods, like culture too.
Yeah, culture too.
Well, anyway, salamat.
Thank you po. Thank you.